Hello, little artists! Get ready for a fruity and fabulous adventure today. We're going to draw some fruits lipsticks. Are you excited to explore this colorful world with us? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, because it's time to create lipsticks like never before. Let's start with the first one. Imagine a cherry on the body of our lipstick. Let's make it pop. Wow! Now, let's move on to the second lipstick. How about a banana twist? On to the third lipstick. Let's add a touch of freshness with a green apple. And for the grand finale, let's draw some juicy blueberries on the last lipstick. Now, let's make our creations stand out by outlining them boldly with our trusty black marker. Now that our lipsticks are outlined, it's time to bring them to life with colors. Are you ready to name some fruity hues?
Awesome!
Cherry red color. Green color. Pink color. Pink red color. Sea green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Yellow color. Ocean blue color. Bottle green color. Green color. Lime green color. Pink color. Green color. Bottle green color. Lime green color. Light purple color. Navy blue color. Sea green color. Blue color. Navy blue color. Sea green color. Pink color. Navy blue color. Green color. Purple color. Blue color. Yellow color. Red color. Pink color. Light pink color.
Whoa!
Our fruits lipsticks are ready to add some fruity charm to your artistic world. Our next video is school bus. So let's start. Welcome, young artists, to another delightful episode of Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we have a very special project in store for you. We're going to learn how to draw and color a vibrant school bus. But wait, there's more. As we create our masterpiece, we'll also embark on an exciting story about back to school and the school bus. So, grab your art supplies, find a comfy spot, and let's get started. Before we dive into the story, let's begin with the first step in our art adventure, sketching our school bus. Start by drawing a large rectangle for the bus body. Don't forget the wheels at the bottom. Once you have the basic shape, add some windows along the side. Our bus is going to be the happiest bus in town. Now, while we continue sketching our school bus, let me transport you into the world of our story. Once upon a time, in a bustling little town named Sunnyvale, the air was filled with excitement and the sound of laughter. It was that magical time of year, back to school. The children were getting ready for a brand new adventure, and at the heart of it all was the trusty old school bus. Our story begins on a sunny morning, with the golden sun casting a warm glow over the town. Children gathered at their bus stops, their backpacks filled with hopes and dreams for the school year ahead. But there was one small problem. Mr. Grumpy, the school bus driver, wasn't feeling very cheerful. He had a frown that could almost rival our smiley-faced bus. Mr. Grumpy's old bus, which had faithfully transported generations of children, was showing its age. It coughed and sputtered, making Mr. Grumpy worry if it could make it through another school year. The children noticed his sadness and decided to help. The children, determined to bring back the sparkle to Mr. Grumpy's day, gathered their paints, brushes, and boundless creativity. They planned a surprise bus makeover, a way to show their appreciation for their grumpy but lovable driver. The next morning, under the gentle morning sun, they surrounded the old bus like a team of artists ready to create a masterpiece. Each child had a vision of how the bus should look, and they worked together, painting and laughing, turning the bus into a rolling canvas of joy. As they painted, they shared stories of their summer adventures, their dreams for the school year, and their favorite subjects. The bus became a place of shared laughter and cherished memories. The transformation was remarkable. The dull and worn-out bus now wore a coat of vibrant colors and whimsical patterns. Smiley faces adorned the windows, and words of encouragement decorated the sides. The next morning, when Mr. Grumpy saw his newly painted bus, his frown turned into the biggest smile the town had ever seen. The children's act of kindness had not only brightened the bus, but also his heart. And so, the school year began on a high note, with the children enjoying their colorful and cheerful school bus. They learned that even the grumpiest of days could be turned around with a little bit of kindness and creativity. Throughout the school year, as the bus roamed the town's winding streets, it carried not just children but also the spirit of friendship, creativity, and kindness. The children continued to share stories and laughter, and Mr. Grumpy's heart remained forever warmed. As the seasons changed, so did the bus's artwork, reflecting the festive spirit of each holiday. It became a rolling gallery of colors, joyfully celebrating every occasion. The children discovered that their painted bus was more than just a means of transportation. It was a symbol of their shared adventures and the power of art to bring people together. In the morning sun so bright, comes a bus with a cheerful sight. It's the school bus, big and yellow, bringing kids from the town to the school below. With a rumble and a roar, it starts the day, taking us on a journey, come what may. Through the streets, it chugs along, singing the school bus song. School bus, on the road we go, with our backpacks and our friends in tow. School bus, we're on our way, to learn and play, come what may. Windows big and windows small, we see the world, we see it all. Passing houses, trees, and stores. On the school bus, we explore. The driver at the wheel, so kind, guides us safely, never far behind. With a wave and a smile, we greet our friend, as our journey to school will never end. School bus, on the road we go, with our backpacks and our friends in tow. School bus, we're on our way, to learn and play, come what may. When we reach our school so grand, we hop off the bus, hand in hand, ready to learn and make new friends. Our school bus adventure never ends. So, here's to the school bus, bold and bright, taking us to a world of knowledge and light. With friends and laughter, we'll make our way on the school bus each and every day. School bus, on the road we go, with our backpacks and our friends in tow. School bus, we're on our way, to learn and play, come what may. On the school bus, we're always in good cheer, as we journey through the seasons, year by year. And there you have it, little artists. We've not only created a fantastic school bus today, but also shared a heartwarming story about the power of kindness and creativity. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.